apples and apple pie were supposed to be nice and gooey. Next, he needed a cup filled to the middle with sugar. Sugar cubes were fun, but he had too many. Just half a cup. Next, a spoonful of lemon. And a spoonful of cinnamon. Time to make the crust. He needed an adult to turn on the oven.
Smells like cinnamon in here. Shh. Oh, you're doing something secret, George? Your secret's safe with me.
It was time to gather the ingredients for the crust. First, a spoonful of salt. Then, 2 full cups of flour. Next, add the butter. And a cup of water. Mixing time. George remembered this part. Next, make the dough flat. Now George needed a round pan to put it in. Maybe the crust would shrink in the oven. It was baking time.
Boy, you creative types sure are messy. Shh. Gee, I guess I just don't get gourmet cooking.
George's recipe said to bake the pie for 45.
Anytime.
George, could I get a glass of water?
Here you go.
Thanks. George, what was the doorman? Oh. Well, you didn't keep it simple. You made me what is that? You made me an apple pie? Oh, my. It's really salty and cinnamony. Well, George, it looks like things didn't go quite as planned. Hey, how about after we clean this up, we get more ingredients and make a pie together?